Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to stop Firefox from saving your credit card or payment method information automatically, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of disabling autofill for payment methods in Firefox Mobile. Open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Tap on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Autofill. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Save and Fill Payment Methods. Tap the switch next to it to turn it off. This will stop Firefox from saving or autofilling your payment details in the future. Thanks for watching this guide on managing autofill settings in Firefox Mobile. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials every week. See you next time.